Yesterday, I practically told you what the trades are, but if you want to see what we did in our private group, hold on. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Davincij15 5x5 because you know what? I did some nice trades and we're going to be talking about that in today's episode. But before I do, I want to jump straight to Davitar rewards because we're going to be doing a meetup February 24th. Right. So, yeah, that's this month, right? It's a Saturday. It's going to be a cool event. It's going to be at 11:30. And yeah, if you want to be a part of that event, you have to have a Davitar Awards, but I will be opening it up to the public. Okay. With that said, let's move on to today's news. And that is Bitcoin emerges as a flight to safety asset, outshining gold, says Kathy Woods. Well, scrolling down here, Woods shared this compelling chart illustrating Bitcoin's price in gold, showcasing a strong long-term uptrend. Okay, so the reason why you wanna see that this is going up in gold is because gold is used as a wealth storage vehicle for 5,000 years, even if you think it's not being done so today by the average person, no, right? But even in the past, the average person didn't store gold. So it was the above average people that did that. So, all right, with that said, you can see gold is, you can get more gold here as Bitcoin prices and value rises. So we're going to see, Bitcoin probably touched 100 ounces of gold for one Bitcoin, right? So you can trade one Bitcoin for 100 ounces of gold. That's going to be huge. That's going to be a very massive pivot point. But this chart, you can see that something interesting is happening here. We're probably going to level out here because of the same reason with the logarithmic chart of Bitcoin happenings, right? It's probably going to just level out like that. Okay, let's get on with my trades. I told people that I was going to do this trade in my group, and I think I mentioned this in the videos in the preceding week. I'm not 100% sure if I did, but if I did, well, here it is, and here's the result. I did exit this trade, which I shouldn't have. I probably should have just moved my stops to break even. I just didn't want to take this losing trade, and well, we'll show you what happened later on with Ethereum, but it continued going higher. Also, in the group, we talked about this trade, and I think I might have showed you this, but if I didn't, oh well, you had to be in the group, the private group, which you can get to at Davincij15.com. Link is also in the description below. And you can see the results of that is pretty good. But this time, I did not close this trade. I let it run. And here we are right now as we're running. Okay, so let's get on to the TA for today right here and decide what's going on. So I know there's a lot here. And you're like, what the frig is going on, man? I'm so confused and dazed. There's colored candles. There's Bollinger Bands. I don't know what's going on here. Let me clean it up for you. All right. So this was my trade here. But the target rate, what we're seeing for Bitcoin is the 61.8 to 45K. You can see it also lines up here with this extension here. So yeah, we're going to see Bitcoin hit this target. And there's a lot of other reasons why this is the target in this area here. And that's where I'm trading to on Bitcoin. Now, can it go higher? Yes, it can. But let's just see what happens when it gets up here. Looking over at Ethereum to close it off for today. Ethereum continued with its pump. I should have probably held that trade. Just didn't think it would break to the next section here. This is clearly, it's breaking to different parking garages, which I showed you guys what that was earlier this week, last week actually. But anyways, we should see Ethereum either. I think we're closer to the top of its level. What? No, 61.8. No, there it is. It doesn't like the 61.8, so I wouldn't be surprised if it continues even higher to the 78.6 generally. So it might take out this top. This this reversal peak here. So don't be surprised if it does that. So yeah, that's what Ethereum likes to do. 61.8 is not really its thing. So we have to look at it. When it gets up here, if it does get up to $2,500, we'll look to see if we could take a short. And we're going to be hunting shorts very, very soon for a major trade in our group. Probably going to put in a quite large sum of money on this trade. And if you want to be a part of it, you can head over to Davincij15.com. All right, well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.